As the day 2 of Indo-Pak Home Secretary level talks are set to begin in a while from now, sources have told Times Now that both countries have agreed to restart the visits of Judicial Review Commission. We have Nikunj on the phone line. Nikunj, what can you tell us about what is expected to happen today in the day 2 of talks?
Well, the most important thing that the two Home Secretaries and the delegations will have to today deal with is the joint statement. The key question is whether there will be a joint statement or not, because in the past there have been instances where despite the fact that everything was prepared, everything was going as per planning on the day one until the very end of the talks did not yield a joint statement. So if that will be the case, then it would be a pretty disturbing picture ahead of the two prime ministers meeting. And because of that two prime ministers meeting, there will certainly be additional responsibility and burden on both the Home Secretaries to try and arrive at a consensus for a joint statement. The Indian Home Secretary Gopal Krishna Pillai yesterday said in the afternoon that there will be a joint statement by both the sides. So wording of that joint statement, agreeing on accommodating each other's concern on terror, a review of a judicial committee that, as you were mentioning, the process of inspecting each other's jails and prisoners, their conditions, all that is something that, two sides would have to try and accommodate each other to a large extent to agree at a joint statement. They've said that around midday that should be possible, but the indications are that it's going to be pretty thorny on the terror issues and especially Mumbai 26.